Maybe weeks before we know if the convicted murderer Jodi Arias will live or die. An Arizona judge declared a mistrial last night in the penalty phase of her trial. Jurors couldn't agree on whether to sentence her to death for killing her ex-boyfriend. A new jury will decide Arias's punishment unless prosecutors offer a deal. CNN's Ted Rollins has more from Phoenix.
Wolf, Jodi Arias is back in her cell here at the Maricopa County Jail. She is still waiting to find out her fate for killing her ex-boyfriend, Travis Alexander.
No unanimous agreement.
The Jodi Arias jury couldn't decide if she should live or die. 8 favored death. The other 4 wanted to spare her life, including the jury foreman, who told Good Morning America that he believes Arias was the victim of abuse.
I'm very sure in my own mind that she was mentally and verbally abused. Now, is that an excuse? Of course not. Does it factor into decisions that we make? It has to.
Arias still may be executed. Maricopa County has the option of retrying the penalty phase, which would extend the already nearly 5-month-long televised trial. The county attorney has already released a statement indicating they plan to proceed with the intent to retry. A new jury would only decide life or death and would only hear a fraction of the evidence against Jodi Arias.
This new jury isn't going to have nearly the information that the old jury did. And the jury that made this decision saw every gruesome detail, saw all the lies, saw everything.
Our lives will never be the same. We can never get him back.
One factor in the decision to retry will be the family of victim Travis Alexander. They openly wept in court after hearing the jury was deadlocked. If they decide they've had enough of the courtroom, prosecutors may settle for a life sentence for Jodi Arias.
I'm with a lot of people out there. I believe that the only appropriate sentence for Jodi is the death penalty, but at this point in the game, I so much would have rather had the jury come back with a life sentence than no sentence at all.
And Wolf, one of the jurors, as she was walking out of the courtroom, said sorry to the Alexander family. We expect that a decision will be made on whether or not to retry the penalty phase within the next few weeks before an upcoming status hearing, which is scheduled for June 20th. Wolf?
All right, Ted, thank you.